Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Pendergrass again, and I'm going to do part 2 of the song Chopsticks. Now, I have a smaller keyboard here today so that you can see the difference. With this smaller keyboard, I have less keys. I only have 49 keys, but I am still using the black keys versus the white keys. And today we're going to pick up with part 2 of the song. In the song Chopsticks, we had intervals. We had notes side by side. This was a second. The F and the G side by side. That's a second. And then we had a third when you had the E and the G together. Then you go out to a 6 where you had the D and the B together. You go in to a 4th, out to 6, out to an 8th. Can you see that? I tried to pull it up so you can see it a little bit better. Maybe that's better. So this is what it was like in the beginning. You had 2, a third, then you had a 6th. There are 6 notes in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you go back in for 4, 6, 8 notes apart. The interval is nothing more than the distance between the notes. So now today for part 2, we're going to use 2 black keys over here, and we're just going to play thirds. That means there's 3 notes, 1, 2, 3, and you skip over the one in between. So watch this. I'm going to try and do this so you can see it. All I did was come down the scale from the C and the E. Let's do it again. Right here, these 2. Come back up, then go back down. Go back up. So if I start over and do it again, it'll look more like this. Make sure there's one note in between. Just start back over. C and E, come down, and make sure that there's one note in between each time. So one more time, the thirds. I'm using 2 fingers, and I'm actually using my left hand. You can use your right hand. This is actually for the right hand side of the piano. But to create this video, I'm having to use the opposite side. If I do it like this, then you start over. I'm just going to use my left hand. It's easier to see the notes. So all together, one more time. Here's part 2. You start with this phrase or this section. Go down, da-da. Come back up 1, da-da. Up 1, then back down. Up, up. Start over. Second phrase. All I did was use 2 fingers, and I left one note in between. 1, 2, 3. This is called a third, and these are intervals. So here's the beginning of the song. Let me do this again with 2 fingers. Now there's a third. 6, 4, 6, 8, 8, 8, 6, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Third, third, or 3, 3. A 6th. 6, 8. Here's the middle we just did today. All thirds. See the pattern? Then you start over with 2, those are the intervals for the song Chopsticks. Thank you. Have a great time. Bye-bye.